Now, if you want to take cooking more seriously, get to know your spices. That's the first step. Not every spice is created equally. I've learned that. Better spices make things better. Sheree Baldwin is the manager at the Spice and Tea Exchange in Mystic.
She's telling us more about the store and a fantastic mac and cheese recipe. Sheree, it is so good to see you. You really spice up our life.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here.
It is a delight. All right, so how important are spices when it, like, I have spices that are probably 10 years old in my cupboard. No good, right?
They still will be, but they won't be as fresh and fragrant. You won't get the flavor as what you would get as if you had fresh spices.
Okay.
They do lose their kick as they get older. So it is important to always have fresh and new.
Well, we're excited because today you're showing us how to make an easy, cheesy, slow cooker mac and cheese. So we get to make it in the crock pot, and spices are going to make all the difference. Show us how to do it.
Okay, we start with 2 cups of elbow macaroni. I've already put them in the crock pot. Then you're going to add your 4 cups of Colby shredded cheese and 2 cups of Monterey Jack.
Sheree,
we're going to put that in.
Are the elbows cooked before? Are they cooked?
No, they're raw.
They're raw.
They're
uncooked.
uncooked.
Makes it even better. So it's just going to cook all day in the slow cooker. You don't have to do anything. Yay. Okay.
Yes. And then we're going to add 2 cups of milk.
Any kind of milk?
And we're going to add 3 cans of evaporated milk.
3 cans of evaporated
and
milk.
Put that all in.
Does it matter if do you have to use whole milk or a fatter milk, or you can use whatever you have?
No, whatever you have at home, you can use.
Okay.
And we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter and just mix that up. Then comes the good part. We're going to add our cheddar cheese powder. We used 6 tablespoons of the cheddar cheese powder.
Is that a spice?
And the cheddar cheese, it is a spice. It's great in the macaroni and cheese. It's great on popcorn. Kids love it on popcorn to flavor the popcorn. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ground mustard. You can use the ground mustard to flavor, kick up, mix it with your hamburgers, kick it up to add it to any dish to add just a little bit of kick to it. And then we're going to add our signature custom blend spice. We're adding 2 tablespoons of the custom blend spice. It is an all-purpose seasoning that you can use on anything. You can use it in fish. You can use it as a rub on meat. You can use it as an alternative to salt and pepper in your food. So, and we will we will just the finished macaroni in just a minute. I'm going to run and pick that up out of the crock pot in the back.
And how long? What do you leave it in there for, like 8 hours? How long do you cook the crock?
Nope. This is a great dish. You mix it up, and it's an hour and a half.
That's all.
So you can go out, go sledding if we still get any more snow this winter. You have baseball practice. You can go ahead, set it, come back, stir it after an hour and a half to see if it's done. But it can go up to 3 hours. And after it's all done, here is your finished product.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
One more question. Does it go on low or high on your crock pot set?
It would go on low,
okay.
for up to 3 hours.
Okay.
Up to 3 hours.
So
we can
but the signature spice blend is what really makes it. It does, it's got a lot of different peppers and spices in to add a little zip to it.
Okay. So that means we got to go see you in Mystic. Are you open and people can shop? I mean, these make wonderful gifts too, right? You can, you've got tea there as well.
Yes, we do. We are located at 6 West Main Street in Mystic. We are right at the drawbridge, so you can't miss us. We do have 80 custom blends here that are made daily in the store. We have quite a few of them are all-purpose. Our tailgaters, our Vicks garlic, they're all-purpose. Anything you want to use. So one bottle will get you through many different meals, through dips, rubs, or vegetable seasonings. We also have over 40 varieties of tea. We do have limited time only teas that come in at every season. We get 3 or 4 different kinds that are only available for 3 months. We also have 24 varieties of unique sugars that are great on oatmeal, ice cream, and you can put it in your tea or coffee.
Yum.
And we also have 24 different sea salts and minerals that are good for rubs on your steaks, rubs on your meat.
Sheree,
The Merlot is a favorite one to put on vegetables.
unfortunately, we're out of time, Sheree, but we appreciate you being with us. You were awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
And to learn more, everyone can visit spiceandtea.com/mystic. There it is right on your screen, and definitely go give them a visit. I definitely want to try that recipe.
Yeah, it looks
I don't have
amazing.
her spice right now. I guess I need that.
Maybe I'll get it for you.